It's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Equal parts suave and stout, this multitasking Silverado is a powerful personality. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Bluetooth streaming audio, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, air conditioning, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
DePaula Chevrolet is your Albany Chevrolet dealership. We're conveniently located at 785 Central Avenue in Albany, New York.